While we wait for the beginning of a major Russian offensive in eastern Ukraine, the Ukrainian Ministry of Defense continues with their great video materials in which only ashes remain of Russian equipment. This is the best fireworks of war, or how Ukrainian artillery is destroying Russian armored vehicles. Here we have an attack on a tank, probably with British-donated NLAW anti-tank missile. Here Ukrainian army inform is saying that in 45 days in Ukraine, Russia has lost more helicopters than in the 4 wars before. For comparison, during the 45 days of the war, Russia lost 137 helicopters, and in the previous 4 wars, 2 in Chechnya, Georgia and Syria, 83. This is aerial view of artillery strikes on Russian armor. Commander of the Defense Forces, Lieutenant General Serhiy Nayev, visited the units defending the positions near Zaporizhia, and he talked about destroyed Russian tanks.
І буквально на днях наші джевелінщики спрацювали по їхньому розрахунку мінометному разом з автомобілем і з транспортом, який приводив евакуацію.
Техніка противника кружляла приблизно по цьому полю, вела вогонь.
A mechanized brigade named after Prince Vladimir Monomakh continues to welcome the armed forces of the Russian Federation. The soldiers hunted several units of military equipment, tanks, BMP and Montana LB of the Russian occupiers flew beautifully across the Ukrainian field. Apparently, even the new plan of Russian President Vladimir Putin is not going exactly according to plan for now. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.